Hi, I'm Via, and I'll be your Swimwear Sample Development Manager. I have been in the industry making samples for over 10 years. I have a great team of assistants who work with me manufacturing over 100 swim brands every year. Once you're in our swimwear sampling department, then I will personally check that everything is clear and ready to begin. Any issues, I'll give you a call. By far, the simplest way to get started with us is to buy the Swimwear Starter Pack. It contains one bikini set using two fabrics, both Italian recycled, one textured rib and the other plain. Also enclosed are some great fabric swatches and their respective laser copy colour cards. We've added all the major accessories like biodegradable bags, some heat presses and a selection of metal clips and adjusters. As soon as sampling starts, I will oversee and handle your samples from the first cuts to the final dispatch to your door via DHL. I may at any point contact you, and you can also request a callback to make sure we are both clear on the samples that we're making. That's it. I love what I do and look forward to working with you.